Support and resistance are the easiest and profitable strategy out there that anyone can use. However, many advanced traders are still doing beginners mistakes, having many zones and lines like this. What the hell is this, bro? Where do you know where to buy and sell? Moreover, the reason why many people are having lines and zones like this is because they are not following the secret golden rule of support and resistance. Actually, I was a victim of this. For past 2.5 years of my trading has been messed up because of this secret golden rule of support and resistance. How to avoid these common mistakes that every newbie and advanced traders are doing is by following the golden secret rule of support and resistance. First, multiple rejections. Looking at this chart here, so guys, if you look over here, you can see there's a first rejection here, and there's second rejection here, and there's a third rejection here. That confirm us our first golden rule. You need to have a multiple rejection. So after identifying this multiple rejection, you have to mark out the zones. You have to mark out these zones. What is support? A support is an area that support the market of not going down and of not going down. So to have this kind of rectangular tools, you need to come over to this your left bar. You will see a rectangular tools there. Then you can mark it as your favorite. You add it there. So then looking over to the top, you can see there's a first rejection here and there's a second rejection here. So that's qualified us as a resistance. You mark it out. Whenever the market comes over there, you can sell. So guys, you can see that a resistance is like a ceiling that whenever the market goes up and hit that zone, it reverses. So your question right now is, what if the market tests that zone once? So that takes us to our second low, our second golden low. That is moving drastically away from that zone. Market moving drastically away from that zone. If you watch here right now, let's take this zone. If you watch here, you see how market touch this zone. How market touch this zone, you mark out that zone. So you see, you mark out this zone because you can see how this market move sharply away from this zone. That means here now is another resistance. Whenever market come to this zone, let me say whenever the market push to this zone, it will sell. So you need to watch out for how the market move away from there, how sharp the market move away from that zone. The third rule, it can act as support or resistance. So the third rule, looking over here, guys, you can see that here the market here was a resistance, and when the market break out of it, it acts as a support. It becomes support. You see, here was a resistance and the market break out of it, and market came back and test at that exactly zone and go up. So that is our third low. Say price close to the current price. Some traders do this mistake by going far back to mark out their support and resistance, like what we did here now. See, the market is far away from the current price market, so no need of us marking out this zone because there's a far away. Before the market will get back to that zone, it will be hard. So what we'll be needing is this zone. You can see, so price getting back to this zone is relevant. This price getting back to this zone is relevant. Whenever the market come to this zone, we sell. Guys, do you understand this? So let us combine all these things that we learned so far and know whether we will see a trade. So we'll be testing this. Let's create this chart. So what did I tell you? The first thing you have to look for is multiple rejection. See guys, if you watch over here, You can see there's a first rejection here, and there's a second rejection here, and there's third rejection here. So making here a valid resistance level. So you can see making here a valid resistance level, first touch, second touch, third touch. So market coming back here, you would have placed your sell. That is your first rejection. Then second, this thing is how market move drastically away from here. You can see how the market move sharply away from there when he touched this zone. So that is our second low, the current price. And you can see that the current price of the market is here, and the market tested at that zone. You would have taken your sell position from here. Then your take profit should be next support level here. Would have next support level there. Then your stop loss should be above the resistance. So you see guys, that is how you would have catch a better pips using support and resistance. Guys, I don't want this video to be long. I hope you learned something in this video. I love you guys. Chill. And please subscribe, like the video. That is the only way you can support me. And please drop your comment the next video that you want me to do. I love you guys. Chill.